Okay, today's Saturday. No chance of rainy season. Means high chance video came out on well someone. Yeah, shut the fuck up. Anyways, if there's a storm rain, when there's a video came out on, and then mabaha didi, you're one step away from getting a fine of 20 million pesos. Send a million, so I'm going to summon them. You know the outhouse is getting ready and the back house is fully prepared. So I am not ready. And you're ready because nakatuwak sa lubong niyan 2 p.m. To sa kanto na namatay. Good luck. Summon loud house sa store pati back house niyang gabi pagbanik up today. Why I'll play NTE, Enfield, and Heaven Bonds with mga 8. Okay, so masaman ak like yan na nakulop. Oh, yan na nakulop. Kay pag 2 p.m. makatuak sa lubong. Wait, puputak sa lubong na. Yaw na. Magsamang ka ulit. Promise, I want someone like today. And for the reason why it's Sunday, kanto kami sa mga 4 p.m. Okay, fine, go. Every Sunday makatuak sa misa. Makadto kami mga 4 p.m. But today, makadto kami sa lubong mga 2 p.m. So, after St. Peter and Paul Cathedral, kadto kundiin na St. Ignacio o Calvaryong Memorial o dinani bagakay wawi sadto na cemetery sidana na maputang para sa libingan niya. Na, para summon ha? Yoko. Pag summon niya nakunok mga 12 pauti buhay. Inani mga singers from 10 to 11 a.m. Kaya na. I will do it. And if you summon the Girl's Kitchen, sa mga Girl's Kitchen, where are you going? Makakaon ka? Makaunan. And if there's a video came out on that is happening right now, still full. Okay, I was sa mga Girl's Kitchen. Summon! The video came out on 9 eh. Pawi ko 9:30 tapos kauman. Wala na. Uman na. At least, medium chance na mag-rain.